Right, good morning all. Now, this little thing I've got to make today is the brass foot from the bottom of a table leg on a 1960s G-plan table. A very beautiful piece of furniture that a friend of mine is restoring. Now, this little thing, it screws into the bottom of the table leg, and one of them was missing when he came to restore the table. Obviously, you can't buy spare parts like that. Even if you could in the 1960s, you certainly can't buy it now. So it has to be made. And that is a pretty straightforward lathe turning project. It's a simple dome, and on the other side is a 5/16 by 18 UNC imperial thread. Yes, because no metric back in the 1960s in England. So there we are. That's a fun thing to make. That's a fun lathe to play with. And this is a video that I hope you'll enjoy. So let's get stuck in.